Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs, suddenly spasms. This involuntary reaction causes a quick intake of breath, which is then abruptly stopped by your vocal cords snapping shut, creating the distinctive hic sound. It can be triggered by anything from eating too fast to sudden temperature changes. While most hiccups last just a few minutes, some can linger for days. Interestingly, they can even be a sign of underlying health issues. So, next time you get the hiccups, remember, it's your body's quirky way of reminding you to slow down and take a breath.